Omondi, Ramogi TV.
Moko kuom jod bura mag ODM owuok tung' mosuo gi jokanyo mawuok e riwruog siasa mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. Magiwacho ni osebedo kasunda mondo miyo gai mar Azimio Raila Odinga wang' ni osir achiel kuom nyangile mar Azimio e kom jatend piny Kenya yiero mabiro. Jod bura go ramo ni Odinga e jatendgi kendo gibiro sire lwedo mondo mi olar kom jatend piny e yiero mar 2027. Ali Abich nigi mathoth.
Jod bura mag ODM go mane loso nyasi marikwe ka chud bura makarachuonyo ne oseyo jowetegi magen geri riwruog siasa mar Azimio mage wacho ni osebedo ka sundo gai mar Azimio Raila Odinga mondo wang' ni obi osir lwedo achiel kuom jodito mag riwruog siasa no e laro kom jatend piny Kenya yiero mabiro. Gikone jotend duond buche maloso riwruog siasa mar Azimio mane kod dwaro mar chung' e laro kom jatend piny Kenya yiero mabiro mondo chak chon makigiriti ni Odinga mabiro ting'o badgi.
You should not pressurize Raila to tell you that you are the one who is going to take over. No. Just talk to people. Come, even here. If you force Raila to tell our people that they should elect you or they should nominate you to be their presidential candidate, without talking to them, without convincing them, they will not vote for you.
Mano endala malo kama vile serikali malo. There is no single day you will take pride in a government that you have been simply invited to. No single day. A government to which you have been simply invited cannot qualify as your government. And therefore, as ODM, we must work strategically and alongside our partners to ensure that we form the next government.
Jod bura go kone jowetegi magin go Azimio mondo sani oket tekregi e tego duond buche maggi maka ochopo e kinde mag yiero to nyalo miyo gi thuolo mar go mbaka makik gigalre ni ogai margi Raila Odinga nyalo biro mako bad ng'ato.
The only strategy that William Ruto is remaining with is to disorganize us within the coalition. And we must desist from this conversation of who is going to be the president and deputy president at this point in time. Our leaders have given us directions. Let us go and strengthen our parties. Let ODM be strong. Let Wiper be strong. So that at the last day, we ask, what are you bringing to the table? Let us strengthen our parties and let us desist from this conversation that Raila should leave for other people. He still is our candidate.
Mimi kama katibu wenu nimetembea na baba Kenya mzima. I have no doubt in my mind Ruto is going to be a one-term president. I can assure you. The people of Kenya are going to put a stop to this very terrible experiment they got themselves into in 2022. Na nawaambia na wahakikishia kwa sababu kila Mkenya ameona kazi imeshinda watu.
Bende ne geramo ni Odinga rwadhgi mapod gibiro medo chungo kendo sire lwedo mondo dhi olar kom jatend piny Kenya kochopo 2027.
Raila runs on our behalf and on our command. And the standing command is that Raila remains our presidential candidate today, tomorrow, in future, in the past, and I
know that our party president is none other than His Excellency, the Prime Minister, Daktari Raila Amolo Odinga.
Ali Abich, Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.